What is a chatbot? A chatbot is a software application designed to simulate human-like conversations with users. It uses natural language processing, or NLP, and artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, to interpret text or voice inputs and provide relevant responses. Chatbots can function as virtual assistants, customer support agents, or even as companions in various applications. They are categorized based on their sophistication. Rule-based chatbots operate using predefined rules or decision trees. They can handle specific queries but lack adaptability to new or complex questions. On the other hand, AI-powered chatbots use machine learning, NLP, and AI to understand user intent and context. They continuously learn and improve over time. How does a chatbot work? A chatbot operates in several key steps. First, there's the user input. The user types if it's a text-based chatbot, or speaks if it's a voice-based chatbot, their query. Examples include, "What's the weather today?" or "Track my order." Next is input processing. For text input, the chatbot tokenizes and processes the text. For voice input, speech recognition converts spoken words into text. Then comes intent recognition. The chatbot uses NLP techniques to understand the intent behind the query and extract key entities like names, dates, or locations. For example, for a query like, "Book a flight to New York tomorrow," the chatbot identifies the intent as flight booking and the entities as New York and tomorrow. After that, we have response generation. Rule-based responses match user input to pre-written responses, while AI-powered responses dynamically generate replies using AI models like GPT, generative pre-trained transformers. Next is output delivery. The chatbot sends the response back to the user. For text-based systems, the response appears as text. For voice-based systems, text-to-speech, or TTS, converts the response to speech. Finally, there's learning and improvement, applicable to AI-powered chatbots only. AI chatbots analyze past interactions to improve future responses. Machine learning algorithms help refine the chatbot's accuracy and adaptability. Technologies behind chatbots include several key components. First, there's natural language processing, or NLP, which involves intent recognition, entity extraction, and sentiment analysis. Some popular libraries and tools for NLP include Spacey, NLTK, Dialogflow, and Microsoft Lewis. Next, we have machine learning, or ML, which enables chatbots to self-improve over time by analyzing user data and feedback. APIs and integrations are also crucial, as they connect chatbots with external systems like CRMs, databases, or social media platforms. For voice-based chatbots, speech recognition and text-to-speech, or TTS, are used to handle spoken language. The back-end logic determines workflows, such as handling queries, connecting to databases, or triggering actions. For example, consider a scenario where a customer asks, "What's the status of my order?" The user types or speaks the question. NLP identifies the intent as an order status inquiry and extracts entities like the order ID if provided. The chatbot then queries the order management system via APIs and responds with, "Your order number 12345 is out for delivery and will arrive by 6 p.m. If the response was helpful, the chatbot logs the positive interaction. Chatbots are revolutionizing industries by automating repetitive tasks, improving customer engagement, and providing 24/7 assistance. Their effectiveness lies in their ability to combine technical capabilities with natural, human-like interactions. What is a voice assistant? A voice assistant is a digital software application powered by artificial intelligence that processes voice commands and performs tasks or provides information in response. It allows users to interact with devices and services using natural spoken language. Popular examples include Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple Siri, and Microsoft Cortana. Voice assistants are often integrated into devices such as smartphones, smart speakers, wearables, and even vehicles. They enhance convenience by enabling hands-free interaction. Now that we've introduced voice assistants, let's explore the various business verticals and areas where these intelligent systems are making a significant impact. Voice assistants automate responses to frequently asked questions, offer personalized support based on customer profiles, and provide live chat integration to troubleshoot user issues. Voice assistants can schedule appointments, send reminders for medication, collect patient symptoms for preliminary diagnosis, deliver health tips, and connect users to medical professionals. Voice assistants provide product recommendations, facilitate purchases, track orders, process returns or exchanges, and enable voice-assisted shopping and payment processing. Voice assistants deliver interactive lessons, quizzes, and study plans, support virtual classrooms with real-time Quanda sessions, and provide learning material recommendations based on progress. Voice assistants handle account balance queries and transaction requests, send fraud alerts, provide investment recommendations, and automate customer interactions during loan or credit card applications. Voice assistants facilitate bookings for flights, hotels, and transportation, provide real-time updates on weather, delays, and itineraries, and act as virtual concierges for hotel guests. Voice assistants recommend movies, shows, and music playlists, enable hands-free control of media devices, and offer interactive games and trivia. Voice assistants match users with properties based on preferences, schedule property visits, answer location-related queries, and provide mortgage or loan guidance through interactive dialogue. Voice assistants assist with onboarding, payroll, and leave management, conduct employee surveys, track performance, and answer HR-related queries and policies. Voice assistants automate access to public services and information, simplify processes like tax filing and document requests, and assist in emergency response with automated helplines. Voice assistants and chatbots are not just limited to these areas. Their applications are vast and continually expanding. They offer several functional aspects like 24/7 availability, personalization, multilingual support, workflow automation, and data collection. On the technical front, they leverage natural language processing, machine learning, integration capabilities, an omni-channel presence, and voice recognition and synthesis to enhance user interactions. With such diverse applications and capabilities, voice assistants and chatbots are transforming how businesses and individuals interact with technology. How does a voice assistant work? A voice assistant operates in several stages, combining speech technology, AI, and back-end processing. 1. Speech input or user interaction. The user speaks a command or question such as "What's the weather today?" or "Play my favorite playlist." This spoken input serves as the starting point for processing. 2. Speech recognition or voice-to-text conversion. Automatic speech recognition, or ASR, converts the spoken words into text using advanced algorithms. For example, it converts "play the news" into textual data. 3. Natural language processing, or NLP. The system uses NLP to understand the intent, identifying what the user wants, like playing music or fetching news. It also extracts entities, identifying specific details such as news or playlist name, and passes the request for further action. For example, for set an alarm for 7 a.m., the intent is to set an alarm, and the entity is 7 a.m. 4. Back-end processing. The assistant processes the request using AI and connects to relevant systems or databases. For example, fetching weather data from a weather API or retrieving a playlist from a music app. 5. Response generation. The assistant prepares a response based on the processed input. This could be a textual response like "The weather is sunny, 25 degrees Celsius," or an action-based response like playing music or setting an alarm. 6. Text-to-speech or TTS. Conversion converts the text response into natural-sounding speech for the user. For example, "The text your alarm is set for 7 a.m. is vocalized by the assistant." 7. Output delivery. The voice assistant delivers the response either as speech or by executing the action. For example, speech output might be "playing your favorite playlist," and the action would be music starting to play on a connected speaker. Technologies behind voice assistants include automatic speech recognition, or ASR, which converts speech into text. Technologies for this include Google Cloud Speech to Text and Amazon Transcribe. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables the assistant to understand user intent and extract key entities. Frameworks for this include Dialogflow and Microsoft Lewis. Machine learning, or ML, continuously improves the assistant's accuracy and adaptability through user interactions. Text-to-speech, or TTS, converts text-based responses into human-like speech. Tools for this include Amazon Polly and Google Text-to-Speech. Back-end systems and APIs facilitate integration with external applications and databases. IoT integration connects to smart home devices for controlling lights, thermostats, and appliances. Let's look at an example of how a voice assistant works in action. Scenario: a user asks, "Turn off the living room lights." Speech input: the command is captured by a smart speaker. ASR converts the spoken command to text: "Turn off the living room lights." NLP identifies intent, which is to turn off lights, and the entity, which is the living room. Back-end processing: the assistant sends a request to the smart home system to turn off the lights in the specified room. Response: a voice output confirms turning off the living room lights. Action execution: the lights in the living room are turned off. Now that we understand how voice assistants work, let's delve into their key functional and technical features. Functional features. Modern voice assistants are no longer limited to just voice commands. They can combine text, voice, and visual content to provide a richer, more engaging user experience. For example, while a voice command might trigger a response, visual feedback can be displayed on a connected screen to enhance understanding. Voice assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated in retaining user context across sessions. This means they can remember previous interactions and use this information to provide more relevant and personalized responses. For instance, if you ask about your schedule, the assistant can recall your previous requests and adapt its answers accordingly. Advanced voice assistants can analyze the sentiment behind a user's voice to adapt their tone and responses. If a user sounds frustrated, the assistant can respond in a more empathetic manner, aiming to provide a better user experience. Technical features. With the growing concerns over privacy, voice assistants now employ robust encryption methods to protect sensitive user data. This ensures compliance with privacy regulations and builds user trust. Voice assistant platforms are designed to handle high traffic without any downtime. This is crucial for maintaining a seamless user experience, especially during the peak usage times. Users can access voice assistants across various devices, including mobile phones, desktops, and IoT devices. This flexibility ensures that users can interact with their assistants wherever they are, making it an integral part of their daily routines. Understanding these features gives us a glimpse into the future capabilities and improvements that voice assistants will continue to bring into our lives. As we wrap up our exploration of chatbots and voice assistants, it's clear that these technologies are transforming the way we interact with the digital world. From enhancing customer service to streamlining daily tasks, their impact is profound and far-reaching. Looking ahead, the future of chatbots and voice assistants holds even more promise. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, these tools will become smarter, more intuitive, and even more deeply integrated into our lives. Imagine a world where your voice assistant not only understands your words, but also comprehends your emotions, preferences, and habits, anticipating your needs before you even express them. As these technologies evolve, so too will the opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to leverage these tools for growth or simply a tech enthusiast eager to stay ahead of the curve, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching this video from Vidya Technos. We have created this digital product to raise, support, and strengthen upcoming entrepreneurs. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with others. If you would like to have any other digital product of your interest or technology, please let us know. Thank you. Team Vidya Technos.